This is where the process of apples juice begins, with fresh apples harvested from the farm at peak ripeness.
After harvesting, the apples are transported from the farm to the apples juice factory.
The apples reach the factory, where the process of apple juice continues.
Through down the result. Each apples are placed on conveyor belts to begin processing. Where the apples are exposing. And therefore, the apples are thoroughly washed to ensure safe and clean apples juice.
Quality inspection ensures only perfect apples move forward.
Juice apples for the design apple contention. The sliced apples are crushed into pulp, releasing natural apple juice.
Pressing extracts the liquid that becomes apples juice.
The extracted apples juice is collected in large tanks. There are many tools make the long ranging of pressure pipes that will follow easy transfer and construction of objects in the tanks.
After heating, the apple's juice is quickly cooled.
Texas. Innovars defend the diseases of full color structural gravity. Best thing. Important goals. Quality tests guarantee consistent apples juice flavor and safety. For this laboratory test.
Tradition and a side peer suades. When the apple's juice is filled into bottles automatically.
Labels are added to identify the apple's juice product.
The finished apple's juice is packed and prepared for delivery.
This completes the process of apple juice, from fresh apples on the farm to the finished product.